Hello, and welcome to the Earth Network. Perched on rocky cliffs and ancient ruins, the blue rock thrush sings a song that echoes through time. With deep cobalt blue feathers and a proud silhouette, this bird is both elegant and elusive. It's often seen alone, standing still like a statue, surveying its stony kingdom. Its call is haunting, melodic, melancholic, and strangely beautiful. Found across southern Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia, the blue rock thrush prefers solitude and silence. It nests in crevices, feeds on insects and berries, and moves with quiet purpose. In many cultures, it's seen as a symbol of endurance and mystery. A bird that thrives where others falter. Its beauty isn't loud, it's timeless. Thank you for watching the Earth Network. If this story inspired you, like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.